Pretty much right on schedule. I told you yesterday the snow would shift down to the ski country during the overnight. Well, now it's working back to the north. Let's take a look at it. At noontime, we're heading down to the webcam shot by the waterfront. And this is from the Buffalo State College Research Center by the river. And you can see that there is a fair amount of cloudiness just to the south of the city right now. Some breaks, though, over the city in areas to the north. We're seeing a little bit of sun peeking out, and that was expected as well. We told you about it on Wake Up earlier this morning. Now, on 4-1 Doppler, here's the lake effect snow shower still coming down to the south, and it looks like there's a weakening trend here. We're missing a few frames, but for the most part, this stuff will continue to die out across the ski country and also some of the southern suburbs. Some of this getting into sections of Hamburg, Orchard Park, East Aurora, and Elma down here to the south of the city. I don't think it's going to work too much further to the north. We might catch a flurry in the city. That's about it. Areas to the north remaining mainly dry until you get up into Orleans County here, where there's a pretty good band going in the northeast corner of that county up to the north of Holly. It looks like some pretty good snow coming down at this point. That also should weaken during the afternoon hours. Taking a look at the satellite picture, some sizable breaks in the cloud cover directly to our west. That will allow for some partial sunshine, at least across portions of the Niagara Frontier this afternoon, so we'll enjoy that. As we take a look at it on Super Microcast, here's the lake effect snow weakening across the ski country and the south towns this afternoon. By this evening, things are pretty quiet across the area. Now, later tonight, clouds will be increasing, and we may catch a snow shower toward morning, especially across the Niagara Frontier. Nothing big, or maybe just a flurry. As we get into Thursday, the clouds will hang tough pretty much during the morning hours, but more widespread snowfall will start to enter into the picture during the afternoon. Now, the latest computer models are kind of backing off the timing on this a little bit. So instead of arriving for midday, it will probably start to work in here by mid-afternoon. And we'll look for maybe about an inch of accumulation in time for the evening commute tomorrow, so things may start to slow down at that time with some slick road conditions. Now, some additional accumulations are likely tomorrow night into Friday, but there is a suggestion that some of that snow may start to taper off across northern areas Friday afternoon, and this storm system tugs on some colder air, and it's barreling southward into our region for the end of the week and the beginning of the weekend. Right now, 27 degrees at Niagara Falls, 24 at Buffalo, 21 down there at Jamestown and Wellsville. These readings have not budged all that much this morning. 20 over the border at Bradford, PA. And it's still a bit of a wind chill out there as well. 14 degrees in Buffalo right now. Even some single digits down at Jamestown and Wellsville. Not an especially strong wind, but just enough to kick that wind chill down a bit, especially across these areas. Let's take a look at your forecast details now. The sunset time coming up at 4:56 this afternoon. And for the rest of this Wednesday afternoon, a few snow showers well to the northeast, especially up in Orleans County, maybe putting down a coating to an inch or two up there. Partial sunshine elsewhere. And the lake snow to the south of the city, weakening across the ski country and the southern suburbs this afternoon. Maybe in spots another 1 to 2 inches there, and the temperature 24 to 28 degrees for the overnight. Basically cloudy. Maybe just a snow shower toward morning in the Niagara Frontier, 17 to 21. Tomorrow, there's a chance of a snow shower during the morning hours, cloudy skies, but steadier snow will be developing during the afternoon. Around an inch of accumulation possible by late, 27 to 32 degrees. Additional accumulation is likely tomorrow night and into at least Friday morning. It's going to be colder. The snow may taper off from Buffalo northward during the afternoon, 22 to 26 degrees. And still some lingering snow showers on Saturday, 24 degrees, a chilly start to the weekend. We're up to 27 on Sunday with some scattered lighter snow showers.